aba na yaba besomo na yamobonsam no so kakra nkomo pinu a na every Friday no edi besi anopai esisi ewo manimu ya yebebo so kakra na yemfa mo nhyase free NPP amanyuku nim se NPP party ne elezio mu boot no mo emiem akwakoto aba akwakoyi de obedi party nanim as flag bearer edu omo akọ 2028 elections no na sabato no beba so be January next year January nte joma hyase a wo mo eburo mu nsuo no a na enumu na Dr. Brian Achampon MP Emma Adehye woko abetifi abato mpeso aso akoka ne se 2024 elections no a MPP call ya onim omanim kogu asepoto a omahwia besine kese omodwene wo montiase no oso ndi emfiri obia ifri Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia nipa na odi MPP anim ene omo ede omo call elections no ono ene ma MPP party no ehwiase a wo mo enim guasesi ye twemo abesine ebi mo okra ntase ache wo mo no wo mo ni so ntiti wunum Dr. Brian Achampon ya party the party money be ewo the constituency and all this answer to money
and I still believe in that. To be able to now call this the president from the north, or we don't need the president from the border, from a Muslim or a northern. Nobody can come with us. I still believe that because our party must evolve as a national party. Nobody can go with this. But we need the first thing a man put together is power. Two, which is selecting our presidential candidate. We need to select one, even if we are going to select it from the north, one that can win us power. And I have said it, that if a Muslim candidate now you know, or you have won the or you any other tribe, or we know we have problems, we need one kind of chapter and can we have a contest. Our is a fine candidate. You know the new kind of university. He's only a victim of circumstance. He's only a victim of circumstance. And then the who feedback. Kusasi for any man who is for.
Nti we Dr. Brian Achampon enana obobonsem so no say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia with the MPP party nanim de omo call 2024 elections no we a victim of circumstance nyina and say we mamprusi ni ena kusasefo ne mamprusi for manso no a wono mo etwe no nyame anim ene bonsam etiko de ekika ko no he de ne bampridu a onhwe a ebeka tondo fi se enim guase ne chese party no hwe asia enne nipa pinu still omani so ntete wunum no officer Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia eka ho bi ena sa enim guase ne ebaye mo we sa retro no ewo elections na course no mu na ningina mu so no former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ewo America mem NPP party ne di dwuma ewo America bonten so na sa dwuma die na wo mo edie no o matonsa fra kuku dampinu a ena wo mo edi omo ne munyam eba beteche na former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia wa America memu no ena oyi Dr. Brian Achampon ano se o se eya na odi hu yaw se ni nuanum binumu a wonu omo pre NPP franketufu adwa no ede mifiri ha ena mifiri sum wemu ena we free crow we so ena we eye kramuni anase Kristo ninti no enya de ade ne be ni kwan se ye fi ne biewu wo se nyame anim ni ote sansem ne bia ya na ha ne pa ya na odi hu yaw fi se oman ne bia ya ba bedro no fi se yakọ e de atra enyimu se we ye kramuni anase we eye Kristo ni anase mpo we eye santini na we so eye sabi eye ceremony o se yakwatre ho no mo enti se koba se akonya atofie na so mo pre ho na se ni nua no mo pre bie no we ya no mbetimi aka na obusa wo mo se sabre no a na MPP party no atofom omo bobo mo abeto 2016 elections a na odi animu ekasa eye lectures ne sa niema no anyembi omu busae se Boamah no oye kremoni enti mo mane nyai omu busa se Boamah no oye mampurusini no mane nyai ana a oye sa de ne ma MPP party no ebe ya kono o Ghana fo ni so a Ghana fo di tumi ema eye MPP amanyuku no Dr. Mahmoud Boamah anu ya de mine.
As we prepare to go into the primaries, I am very, very concerned and troubled that some of our presidential aspirants have embarked on a religious and tribal bigotry and propaganda against me in a desperate attempt to win votes. They totally ignore all the data and findings about why we lost the 2024 elections and want to mislead the delegates and the party with such propaganda. One such issue that has come up, and I think it's important for all of us to know, is the Mamposi-Kusasi conflict. An aspirant has said that delegates should not vote for me because I am a Mamposi man, and that we will lose votes in the Kusasi areas and other areas. This is very unfortunate and demonstrates a complete lack of understanding of the situation on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, since 1965, there have been 11 elections in Ghana. Since 1965. And the performance of the MPP in the our tradition, in the 6 Boku zone seats, there are 6 seats in the Boku zone. If you look at it, the performance is as follows. In 1965, our tradition had 0 seats. At that time, I was only 2 years old. I had nothing to do with it. In 1969, we had 2 seats. In 1979, under the Torusu's leadership, we had 0 seats. In 1996, we had 0 seats in that area. In 2000, we had 1 seat. In 2004, the President 4, we had 0 seats. 2008, we had 1 seat. 2012, under President 4, we had 0 seats. 2016, we had 2 seats. 2020, we had 1 seat. And 2024, we went back to 0 seats.
Enti we former Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah and na oma history abatwa oma yiyato ene NPP omo modembo oma bo over the years wo sa boko enclave ho ene ne important one mo and na former Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Boamah echechire mo de akyere no na eno echesusu no Dr. Brian Champo asaso ba biu eno obusa sa nyem bia yese Tamale Tamale Central ho Tamale Central by election e baso ne nyina ye honorable Mutala ofrimu ya helicopter betetoye ewo adanse ne mpotamu ho no no eno nti electoral commission mpanifo ye nhise no no makwa akoto aba ewo Tamale Central no mayi mrase begani foforo NPP party ne de krata aba abonten a omo kire se enya dia Tamale Central by election no womo ebeko bie eno na Dr. Brian Champo ebusa se nti party na nsa no omo betu sa na mo no hwan eno omo no omo di nkomo a eno nti omo esi se gina ye no eye se Tamale Central by elections no omo enko so ne party ni ya adwene enye ye na enko se nka MPP ekọ Tamale Central by election no so omo bewie se omo nwie kra no so ose nkomo kọ no mo ede Kenya party no ede so party na ho den ehwe ewo empesua no so Dr. Brian Champo
purpose. We are here to win power in the end. It is a shame that the power of the Kenya. And the NDC always shows us the way. It's no emotions. The Jimmy Castle and Congress, yeah. And you have got money. Very other Congress, yeah. Sometimes we get carried away with emotions when we have to do the politics. I would have contested politics. I would have contested politics. So my election, there might be no my election. You can't say that, Papa. And you can't point out fast one. The point. But my election, you know the behavior. You know the political party. It's the people come and they are protesting our 2028.
Today, Dr. Brian Champon so and all question decision NPP party ni take here say Tamale Central by elections no one more enko no more echu omo ho de free ho na omo muma kwetia de ombeko na Tamale Central na one more enkro nti eno susu ye mra na one NPP party fuyi etu ani ni esi ani fo ni bi ehia na one omudi nkomo na ode sansemi etugwa sese amanfo gusu omuye post no so hu omugusu omuye post no ni ade a ede ba bonte na enei ya te se the latest one no we global info analytics on ye hu Musa Dankwa ni team no omo latest one omo de aba kire se ye kwa akoto aba ne ene kine ya ewo MPP party no mu a former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia udi party nanim ede omo call 2024 elections no enka wahwere di kan nko wini obewini with be 52%. Obedi nkunim be 52%. The obeto so mienu former Asen Central MP Honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompreko Japan ono so benya 17%. The obeto so miensa kowa betifi mrasebe dwani Dr. Brian Echampon one beto so miensa obenya 3%. Na the obeba beto so 9 Bosomtwe Member of Parliament Honorable Dr. Oseya Waduchum ono so ne ba beto so 9 na the obeto so num ababeye Kwabena J Japan the former General Secretary of MPP on ba beto so num na Boache Jako Trematen so ababeto so nsia na Honorable Francis Adenimo ababeto so nson omo so a omo kire se sise no omo nyan decide be bi ombeto omo ba kono so ediso na omo so omo undecided for no so nyina no ewuwum ni ade a nti we ye latest de Musa Dankwa Global Info Analytics for no ono mo aye ede aba afa NPP ahobo a wo mo eye ede akoyi Frank Etufo ede ama party no asante ma chen nti we ye de eboboba ewo NPP party ni mu de eboboba eno no o ma hya se o mo buru nsuo no to mu gusu a wo mo buru
yeah media kakra make me hya se akra free sa presidential primary you know sa research Musa Dankwa ya sa mo de batun chama mia wo hwa so far nipa 55 na fa form so
tisi omo bie nomination forms no presidential
yeah mampanya
hwan Bawumia Kennedy Japan Kwabena Japan
Brian Champon
sa Brian Champon afa
wafa
na mente
Brian
sa
nyo no mo so kofama no
de omo kofama no ne ye yo aduchum
Brian fine
sa Brian akofa ho
wafa
okay
ti just 5 no first 5 no na ase afa and
Inti
de mi hu se wafa
nti onti ade ni mu nka
na mente bo acheja akọ
na onti bo acheja akọ so nka
waja se nti sa nipa first 5 we na ase
mate se Jogate num susu nyina the Big Joe
and
Big Joe ne
it's been confirmed to us from exclusive you say Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah
yes
definitely onko
yes Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah de nkoma ye di no ene de ye tete no e kire se Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah, is it Okankwe Central? Okankwe Central Member of Parliament. Enya dia obefa forms. And I say obe contest NPP flag bearership race no the 2020.
Party insurance says omombo 5 na be super delegate whatever.
Just ade no makwa akotwemu.
Makotwemu say no onipa 20 kra kofa kra.
Na no ade omokoye wo Lagos.
Onipa 20 kra for moto once. Very good. Yeah, and some Bobo Bano. I'm before 2024 elections and Google by yeah, and yet as the Nipa Bakupen my party in Google. The factors are many. Yeah. Dear Musadan cry no cry, yeah, mananado, former finance minister came for a 10-year B, Kenya Ponya B, Dr. Baumia B. But there were other people so more contribute to my party in Lucia. Omo cry they be a partner, Musadan Kwasobe in Anfao. Baumia, as it stands now, Baumia situation. I say best pa any couldn't have.
Yes.
Why is it Vance Musa Buana, Ufana?
So introvia no ma.
We jano so.
Ufana offer musu ujano so we just idea.
Say a basa Baumia crab to ekolusu kra. The ethnic and tribal comments na party in Penfone be running on. And more party no. Me de na me kada say so belusu kra na ensem bo omumia manana nka omunya de manan konkolusu but say ensem we nyina ba say me de me kada say ka de ubetimi aye abato de mpempi ni say what you can do de why abo party no ka de opese oyebo party ni obeyebo o man ka ba o kontraba ne ka aye kana edimpa wo ka pe na Nipa no matter the size of that particular tribe no the relevance in the party will be omo komochi e pass be ha party no and the baubia so the analysis be tu dwa e ma yehu party no since 1960 now amo performance in the northern regions as a 2016 as a ombo homo de panya 2 seat other than that nyina 1 seat 0 seat 1 seat 0 seat issues na adane ye ka say na 2024 man PP performance no ekohwe no 2028 no the party no money power and for that matter the attention may not necessarily be on the MPP sir but it could be about NDC's performance and in simple party mpanufo no bi sabe yankra na eka ya na akwakwa na mpanufo beka tribal issues say na no sa na stake ko kan bi emwa omo yesa asa omuni message omo yesa so
omo sell one other candidate
na mse ba sa na asa omuni message so wo ken afa ka de ken aye de ken betimi aye abo party
ken be ye
so now ken ya we the flag bearer contestant na mu na aka o ye branch champion na aka esa enfaso ena tu party decision so omo nkota male no me to some extent me could ya adwene ya he the course of Blake Manoff no e ma party ko di gugu no on se party ndi kankas omo nko ye hu de ye ena maame no ko ye later maame no ko the apology e bai
yeah omo ko national council meeting no o apologize o de dwato akosi o ze chairman Buteu so bia so no mo pa chew ma no na ase koye so nyehwe omo nyi chew pa ntum
what you say ena akwatie isu omo party omo adia
akwatie dey say from day one no mo indicate so mbako
and Temani Central ya some people are here no kodu miserably.
The difference between NPP and NDC why do? So NPP ni nya be 15,000. Mutala kutabe 50 something thousand.
Almost say we look at the situation now. Lose more. What is the signal in 2020? And strategically no. One can say until but what say yenhwe kwaya empire for us who are
yes.
Let's understand.
No more play with the emotions of the people and over there.
You know the relevance. This no more taking no. And yet Tamil ho never bo mu. But e one no akwatia na omokọ no. And am focus and this for kramoso mu ya badan ya. Nka moso kra no. What yes and
you no so wu ye no. Ani wo na ya. Nti I said they've played with the emotions of Ghana. For say do baby cry no, yen to abakra wa Akwatia ne Tamale Central no. Ye started be kan so and NDC won withdraw from Akwatia na win for we. It is still an sad the da so ho. Emotions there. Who play ni now play ni ya. E farmer Sampa. ene waso be se
me aboa ma party na we ni akwatia no by tamale there the MPP as it stands now
gap no so
what I say and look
at over 40,000 votes difference
and by elections so and the party is no power
no
and the Branjampo
they also mu ye bia the kuta seat no and a seat no nyese bia kuta o MPP ekuta NDC na and almost at power
and ya akwatia difference room and Dr. Branjampo say party they take decision say in irrespective say party na am na so am make chire nkwan fast so o take that decision you should respect the decision as I say we were a community take decision say na me nka ho nti me debi
they say majority carries the vote
of course
say who no call minority side and a majority ni take decision na it is binding on wo say wugitum anye nyina ya dwene ntimi nko baako so hu it is a decision a party na take say ye wei say anamon we ni yetu no eno na wo say e hold
enti dog onya and amanfo be cry ka monta social media na me kase nipa bi akoso man MPP lose e cry because Branjampo so ka ho bi
say last one e beto odwa say o to aban Senate hotel
so 3 weeks 1 month na jantum me yumunyantum
na ka some few days ni akoto oba o
na obi cry ka say ya we wonya president mponio na wo to me pade this way na be di manpanyin so e and so you should be very careful
the MPP we abane there area there edoso obi aso play role kitten but omanfo mani emu na nyina no ekabo mu so yeti kro mu ne yeti no yo say ayi Dr. Branjampo koto
Senate for
hotel o man hotel no koto that time na Branjampo now ye agric minister na ye agric minister and amanfo fi say your connection
to incumbency
mo ene edeya said obey president no ene niema bebre nti afa
mu tempo ne ntwa
na ka some few days ami akoto ba sabre no so na wo party na asoso no eho abaye Ghana fo ahi abufu deda
ene ade ketuwa
bi sa trega na chese Ghana fo mpe MPP anim kura ahwe na omo ababeti
omo di obi aye bibi Dr. Boamah aye bia brand so ye bibi ke obi aye bi di party no mo obi blame obi say we mampusi ni we party ni nyanyi ntum so that they can next their wounds and move forward today ye beka no now
Mati asante me na ye ho emranti we Tamale Central ade ne na ya grace mo e de ato no nti wo difference no Ibrahim ho mutala ekuta 52,000 and MPP ni ekuta 16,000 52,16 ayagro it is a party ni decided say 36,000 difference 36,000 obede wa close to gap
at this time
and between John Mahama President John Dramani Mahama and the former Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia we voted difference no? 28,000
Mutala was in popular than Mahama there.
Than Mahama over there. So yes, Ebia NDC betima kwa kofe parliamentary candidate onye so popular as compared to Mutala ofri mu no. But yenkai hunu say Mutala wuo no so no
the
circumstances no ne ade wo as a sympathy be ne ade a e de bebre party. Nti me feel say NPP decision so mo withdraw from Tamale Central no. Well, it say adwiri baako fu tirim said party before so be take that decision no omo neck meeting no mbeko omo national council meeting no mbeko ansana omo de bibi saa aba nti ye bia omo koye no omo kodwendwene ho no at least some the party ni ko ase nipa bi no mo nsa se they should manage
omo na bedwena ma party no
omo na bedwene nti u ka so man consider sa na ma we nyina yes the other school of thought omo so mo feel say enkalis kebe energize the grassroots of the party or honomo but one way now ko we turo bia when agina dey ko honomo no
besa to we so and we cry out you were more than 3 years to 2028
yes
and you go we cry samria enye cry e bia ka some few days 6 months bi mpo na ko ba
already na maboto de da areho wo mumu de da so hu nti enene bende ye dai ho aba sports team ni so ma to aso na ye ba nkomo aka chire ye de beto aso